Part D. We have during week 4 now. The survey has been extended to 200 students. Now the results have a cumulative frequency diagram. Now I don't have the diagram here, but hopefully you have the exam in front of you and you can read it off. And in part 1 it says find the number of students who spend between 25 and 30 hours browsing the internet. So on the x-axis, if you go to the number of hours and go to 25 down the bottom, and so we should have a graph that looks like this. If you go to 25 and go up and then go across, we should get a value of 80 students. And then if you go to 30 hours, so 30, and go up and go across, 30 should connect with 150. So the number of students who will browse between 25 and 30 will be these 70 students here, because the gap between 150 and 80. So this will be 150 minus 80 equals 70 students. And in part 2, the question says, given that 10% of the students spend more time than K hours browsing the internet, find the maximum value of K. So only 10% of students spend more than some certain time here. So I'm just going to draw this again. Now, the top 10%, there's 200 in the survey, so the top 10% of that will be 20. So if we go up to where the 180th student is, there will be 20 above that, and they will be the top 10%. So if we go to 180 and go all the way across and go all the way down, let's trace where that will be. That will be 35. This will be 35. So this top 20 between 180 and 200, this will be watching more than 35 hours. So K, actually I'll put top 10%. This will be 180th student and above. Therefore, K will equal 35 hours. So they will be my two answers for part D.